Let's have a look at final output. Now let's look at code. Libraries including opencv, numpy, os, math, random, csv, pil, tkint are imported. Defining string in color. Initializing variables with the help of classes. By using morphology, Gaussian blur, median filter to eliminate noises, but it not only eliminates noise, it concentrates on high frequency also. So it is more important in edge detection in an image.
Detect plate include three functions. Detect plates in scene. Find possible chars in scene. Extract plate.
Detect plate in scene. It will do following. 1. It will create 3 arrays of grayscale scene, thresh scene, contours used to find edge. 2. Pre-processing on the image using functions of preprocess. Then it call find possible chars in scene function. 3. Find possible chars in scene function will return list of all matching char in image. 4.
Then it call find list of lists of matching chars function and it will return list of character in image. 5. Then it will extract image of plate from image by calling extract plate.
Find possible chars in scene. It will do following. It will do contours in on image and check for character in that possible plate. If yes, then it will append it in that list and returned list contain list of possible character in that plate. Extract plate. It will crop the image of number plate from the original one and it will return the image of a plate.
Detect character. It include following 7 functions. Detect chars in plates. Find possible chars in plate. Check if possible char. Find list of lists of matching chars. Distance between chars. Angle between chars. Remove any overlapping chars. After extracting number plate region, it scans for the connected objects in an image. Once the connected components are identified, it will assign a special label to it. Each connected components have different labels in order to differentiate each other. The process of character segmentation. It will divide the number plate into different subimages. Each subimage prefers one character. Segmentation is the important part in the vehicle number plate detection system because the character recognition completely depends on segmentation only.
Detect character in plates. It will try to detect longest possible character in plate with the help of other functions of detect character. It will emit a plate when no character was detected in plate. And it will return the list of all possible plate containing the character detected in plates. Next function is find possible character in plate. It will try to find possible character in an image using contours in possible character function and check possible character function, and it will return list of possible character in an image. Next function is check if possible character. It has simple task to check whether given character is character by checking its width and height. If yes, then return true, else false. Next function is find list of lists of matching character. It will make list of possible character in plate and remove the character which was not recognized as character from the list. Next function is find list of matching character. It will try to find list of matching character of number plate from all the list of character which is in list of possible character.
Distance between character. It will find distance using distance formula, geometry, between two characters, given in argument and return the distance between them.
Angle between character. It will find angle using coordinate geometry between two characters given in argument and return angle in degree.
Next function is remove inner overlapping character. It will remove character which are overlapping by considering the distance between them. If distance between two character is less than predefined minimum distance, then it will remove character which is not in list of matching character. Next function is recognized character in plate. It will return final list of characters, that is number plate text, using k-means algorithm.
For simple, here we have defined a button, various grid, to display output image, cropped image of number plate of input image, in the number plate text. By pressing the button, you have to select an image, and then after select underscore image, that is main function will be called. Draw rectangle around plate. It will draw a rectangle around the number plate in the image using coordinates of x, min and max, y, min and max. Write license plate character on image. Using opencv function put text, we will put number plate text on an original image. Function number. It will help to display plate text on GUI.
Function has number will check for digit in plate text.
Select underscore image. Firstly, you have to select image. If the path of the image is not empty, then program will run further, otherwise it will stop. Then we will read image using opencv's imread. If image is empty, then it will show error. Then list contain all possible plates and image will be created with help of detect plates and set function. Then with the help of function list of possible plates, we will get cropped image of number plate, and it will get saved dataset crop image name.png. Then with the help of detect character we will get plate text. Then a rectangle will get drawn around number plate using draw rectangle around plate function. Then in plate.csv file information like image name, plate text, x min max, y min max will get append. Then to write plate text we will use write license plate character on image function. Then the remaining code is for displaying final image and number plate, cropped image, plate text, etc. on GUI.